Okay, we're going to get some tension in here. And let's get a standard hook in 18 thousandths. Click out of 1. 2 is binding, nice click there. Little click on 3, nothing on 4, 5. Okay, 6 is binding. Nice click out of 6, back to the beginning. Nothing on 1, 2, 3 is binding, little click there. Nothing on 4, 5, or 6. Let's see, 1, 2 is fine. 3 actually feels like it could be overset. I released a little tension to let it down. Nothing on 4, 5, or 6. Not sure what's holding us up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click out of 5. There we go. And I'm pulling back. I was stuck under, I think, number 3, and we got this open.